Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I have for you another Misfits unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing what I got inside my box, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, let's see what we have in my box. I think I ordered mushrooms, something extra, I believe. Oh, so they did it different. And now I'm gonna have to turn it around so I can hold this back, so it's not showing in the camera. Alright, so now they've changed that packaging once again and put this, I don't know what this is, it kind of feels like insulation, but this isn't frozen anymore. It's not that cold. It actually was sitting outside. I didn't know it was delivered, so, but here we are. I ordered mushrooms, I ordered portobello and gourmet mixed. So these are the two things that I ordered. I noticed that they always put them on top and they look good today. They don't look too bad. So we have that. And as always, I put on the screen what I ordered because I don't ever remember, because you ordered the week before. So we got Nectar Rings, and I did order these. And I'm glad they gave them to me instead of peaches, because I'm allergic to the peach fuzz. So I got 2 tangerines in there. I have, let's see, some plums. I did order plums, I believe. I got apples. Can't remember if I ordered apples. I did order some zucchini. I ordered collards. So we got some collard greens. I don't give you that many of them. It's a very small bunch. Even when you buy them from the store, the collard bunch be small. I think it might be a little bit more than this, but I just, since I get such little of them, if I'm not buying collards from the store to cook with them, then I just saute them up like I do spinach and eat them that way with some onions and stuff. Okay, they gave me kale, and I got a big thing of kale, so I might, and it's turning yellow, so I would need to cook them tomorrow. So I might just cook the kale and my collards together, and that should be enough for a couple of days. Oh, they gave me bok choy again, and they gave me 2. And they're much bigger than last week, and not last week, but week before last, and these look very, very good. Unlike the ones from then, and then the stalks are much bigger. So I might do a video and show you guys. My videos have been lacking because I'm trying to study for an exam and I don't have time to make videos. These aren't hard to make, they're easier because I'm just opening and I don't have to really do no editing. So anyway, I have two of those. I did order some zucchini because my garden has bugs have taken over my squash and they're not growing anymore, and I had to cut them off. I'm trying to save one of my squash and one of my yellow squash plants, but I don't know. They're blooming again, but I don't know if they're going to live. So I'm going to do a garden update, I guess, eventually. But 2 zucchinis, they're very small, unlike the ones that came out of my garden, which were very large. I ordered some fennel. I love fennel to make like fennel and apple, I think I have it on my channel. Check and see. I think I have a fennel and apple slaw. If not, maybe I'll make one, but since I got apple. But when I was going to say stationed, when I was working in Dallas, I used to get this fish that had a fennel and apple slaw on it. Oh my God, it was so delicious. So after that, I researched how to make it, and I've been making it ever since. Love it, love it. So comment below and let me know if you want to see it, if it's not already on my channel. If it is on my channel, I'll link it, but I can't remember if it's already there or not. We got some green onions, scallions. I call them green onions. Some people call them scallion. What they call these green onions on here? But, excuse me, some of them are not that bad, but a way to save these, if you can put these in a little bit of water and put them in a jar and put them in the refrigerator, and it makes them last. They'll continue to grow inside the refrigerator, but they won't go bad as fast. Or make sure you keep them in your crisper that's shut and airtight, and they won't go bad as fast either. I got another mango. This is big, not as big as the one I had last time, but I believe I ordered this because I love mangoes, so I've been ordering them every single time. And this is an orange, and it's not that good. It's going bad. It needs to be eaten soon. And this one don't feel all that good either. Don't look bad, but it's kind of really soft, so maybe okay. I'll cut it open and see. And I know I ordered onions because I was out of onions, and actually I went to the store and bought some today because you never know what you're going to get, and this box took forever to come, and I need to go to the store, so I just bought some. So I will be using these up fairly quickly because I eat a lot of onions. And then I ordered leeks because I like to cut up leeks and put leeks with my mushrooms, and mushrooms, leeks, and onion as a meat replacer. It's very good to me. And then like I'll make a gravy and put it over some rice. It's very good. So comment below if you want to see that too. I'm going to try to start making videos this week. Can't make any promises, but I'm going to try my best. So that's it. Everything that I got in my box. They didn't have a whole lot to choose from. I actually taped the whole process this week from when I was ordering. So I may put that in the video and I may not. But we'll see. I got 3 zucchini. I don't remember putting that one over there. But I guess I did. So I got 3 zucchini. For my recap, I got 2 oranges, 3 apples, 2 nectar rings, 4 plums, and a mango. Ooh, that one's soft. That one ready to eat. It's bruised. I got 2 big bok choys, 1 collard greens, 1 leafy kale, curly kale that has a little bit of green on it. I got 3 small zucchinis. I got 1 fennel, 1 leek, 2 big yellow onions, and then some scallions. And then I purchased some gourmet blend of mushrooms and then some portobello mushrooms. And that is it. Let me see if they put a paper in here. Oh, spicy watermelon margarita. I don't know if they put another margarita in here once before. I don't know which one it was. I never made it, but this seems good. I'm going to send this to my friend. She likes making drinks. I'm not a big drinker. I rarely ever drink, but I do drink. But in case y'all want to see it, I'll do it this way. Somebody might want to make it. There you go. Goodness gracious alive. Alright, there y'all go. In case y'all want it. I probably won't make it. Very unlikely that I make it. So yeah. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye. Off. Turn off.